Forrest Gump said life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. While that may be true for life, it shouldn't be for hiring talented people.
The process of hiring should not be left to chance.
That's why our client, Chuao Chocolatiers, engaged the QualiFind Group to find and secure key talent in support of top-grading their management team.
Building a management team to produce and market world-class artisanal chocolate is a very deliberate process that should leave little to chance. As good chocolate requires high-quality ingredients mixed with intellectual know-how, an efficient business requires key talent to deliver an exceptional product or service.
The QualiFind Group has hired 60% of our operations leadership team, and they were excellent at finding, vetting, and presenting candidates. What I found most valuable is their insightfulness into culture and culture fit. So here at Chuao, we're a bicultural environment, so this was important for us.
Since 1999, we have evolved through time and rigor to meet the need for key talent of organizations around the world. With a global network of recruiters in more than 40 countries around the world, the QualiFind Group is both locally committed and globally connected.
From gourmet chocolate produced in the US of Latin American heritage to hearing aids designed in Denmark and most everything in between.
The QualiFind Group delivers key functional specialist and middle management talent when and where you need it.
As the practice leader of the QualiFind Group, you have my commitment that we will provide your organization with the highest level of service in getting the talent you need. From recruiting a startup team to launch an industrial greenfield, to engaging and assessing managerial talent to solve business challenges. We exist to find, engage, and deliver talent wherever needed.
Culturally fluent recruiting resources steeped in professional integrity in virtually every time zone around the world, the QualiFind Group is your go-to resource for professional recruitment. Call us today to learn how your key talent needs can be met through engaging the QualiFind Group for your next hire.